Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A 42-year-old security guard has been charged for assaulting a 14-year-old boy while the two were at a bus stop in Pembroke Hall, St. Andrew. The police say the teen was dragged along the roadway by the man. Dwayne Lemon has been charged with assault occasioning bodily harm and malicious destruction of property. You hear them something, my viewers and subscribers? Big old 42-year-old man. Big old 42-year-old man, beat up a 14-year-old boy at bus stop. When I hear them something here, what happened to Uno? What happened to Uno? Why Uno not leave people picnic alone? A phone a picnic? Uno too enough. Why Uno not leave people picnic alone? Me not know exactly what happened in my viewers and subscribers, but me know sometimes some kids not have no manners and no behavior. But Jesus, man, 42-year-old security, charge. Yes, I'm glad I in charge, yo. Yeah, because they assault a 14-year-old boy. For what? All the dragging people, them picnic on road, all them something there. You don't know, you like people for do things like that to phone a picnic? There's enough for uno, enough for uno get away with things. Enough for uno get away with too much things. Enough for uno. Sometimes uno for bail. Sometimes uno for bail. I can't believe this. When I see it in my viewers and subscribers, I say, no, so I can share this with Uno. But Uno, tell me what you think. Put Uno opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. The country recorded 19 murders over the last 7 days. That's according to the latest statistics from Jamaica Constabulary Force. According to the numbers, 65 people were murdered between January 1st and January 27, but that's 16 fewer than the 81 killed over the same period last year. My viewers and subscribers, so you see, they must show their statistics. So this is what they claim. They claim say 19 murders recorded over the last 7 days. And they said, according to the numbers, 65 people were murdered between 1st of January and January 27. So basically, they might try to say it is 16 lesser than last year. All right? So I just bring this across so you have an idea what is going on. So you see, it look like every month or maybe every 2 weeks, they might show up the statistic. So that is just that. Just make you see what them say. Because this is what them say, which you know me already. Me not believe, but I just make you know what the JCF say.
Prime Minister, I have called on the Jamaica Labour Party to tell the people who are those persons. Who are these people in the Parliament who are under investigation for the serious crime of illicit enrichment? Silence. They put a gag order on their own cabinet, forbidding them to talk about Integrity Commission issues. They have something to hide, clearly. Only people who have something to hide behave in that way.
Exactly, Mark Golden. Exactly. You are so right. Everybody knows that Andrew Owen is a thief. Everybody knows that Andrew Owen is a thief. And that him do, that's why he can declare an asset. Let me tell you, all the while, so this man come out and this man come up with a cabinet policy called the gag order. And me tell you, say, true, because the gag order wasn't enough, what the man go do? The man go create an oversight committee. He have to have something to hide. If you not have nothing to hide, why you go take your time? Me tell him why you go make people create policy. and procedure. I asset if you go declare and that if you use the whole of the time and go do. This is why I tell you, I say this man have something to hide and Mark Golden is talking the truth. Because if you, alright, if you not have nothing to hide, if you not thief up taxpayer money and you not have nothing to hide, why you go to the extent to create cabinet policy and create an oversight committee just because you know want a cabinet to talk about it, talk about the problem we're happening in an integrity commission? Uno no see say Andrew Holness a hold on. Uno no see say Andrew Holness a enemy of progress. Uno no see what go on. Andrew Holness thief up with taxpayer money, my viewers and subscribers. Me not fi hide and attack. It's true. Him do it for true. Members are the only reason why him put in the policy, you know, is because he don't want the opposition side talk about it. Yes, because he knows that they always come out and show him up. Yes, this is why. And them are something, and this is a man we want to lead with. This is a man if he resign. Andrew Holness, 3 years now it a go be. 3 years it a go be. And I know Andrew Holness no declare his asset. And this is a man we want for Prime Minister. So because he knows the election a come, you see him come up with this, how them a go invest in that, how them a go give money for that. I just fear that happen. Same thing when do. Same thing when do in a 2020. He come back and do it again. Same thing when do 8 years ago. It him come back and do again. And uno people, uno fi up mono kulu eye and see what Andrew Holness up to. And listen, a peer by Andrew Holness a by vote. And then uno call this a man a leader. Call this a this a man a corrupt. Uno no see? This a man a corrupt. That's why you see the people them, enough of the people them stay the way or Andrew Holness stay. Because if you go buy vote, you teach your people them to be thief. Yes. And you teach your people them to cheat. Of course. So you're just a scammer. And you're just a chopper, Andrew Holness. You are, and we don't want no chopper. We don't want no scammer leader. We don't want that. Time come for a change, and now is the time. Taking piece of this.
How can we have a situation in this country where the annual declaration of assets and liabilities and income of the Prime Minister cannot be certified by the Integrity Commission for 2 years? How can that be? The Prime Minister has not spoken to the people and explained what is the problem, why his declarations can't be certified. I think he said he doesn't know. How can that be when he's in dialogue with the Integrity Commission about those issues? Jamaica needs a government that the people can have trust and confidence in. A government that isn't here to take the people's resources and give it to them friends and them cronies. A government that will lead with integrity. A government that isn't here to scream. And I can assure you and the Jamaican people that the next People's National Party government will be a government that plays by the rules, that ensures that the resources of the people are used only for the benefit of the people, and that the people of Jamaica can have trust and confidence in it, because we're not here to take what is not ours, but is yours.
My viewers and subscribers, wanna hear that? Wanna hear speech? Yes. Mark Golden is a man of integrity. He's not like Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness come for scrape for true. You know amount of money Andrew Holness scrape? You know, and listen, everybody talk about this declare asset. And now we not come and address it. Why you not think you not address it? He must explain to Integrity Commission how he do not know. How comes it not know? How comes it not know how much money you thief? You have to know how much money you thief. That's a one thing. Because when a thief a go thief, them premeditate the thief. Them premeditate what them a go take. You understand me? So you have to know what you're going to take. So you have to know where you thief. What you mean you don't know? You well and know. And you need to stop it. And then so when him take things them, he share it up against them wonder where you see cock up with him. Them wonder where come out and tell lie. You see. And them he give it. The one them where you see come out and tell lie and he send out boy them. He take and give it too. I don't care about Jamaican people. So when we Jamaican people are going to get up and stand up for our rights. I know we don't know our rights. Or we don't have any understanding. We don't know our rights. Where is our brave Jamaican? Where is our brave Jamaican? We always get up and stand up for our rights. What we not there? But you know what? Mark Golden say, if the head of the stream is dirty, the bottom of the stream I go dirty. Andrew Holness a top scammer, a scam taxpayer money. So we want to expect normal people are going to want to expect. Want to expect the citizens then we do. Them are going to follow. Them are going to follow. Yeah, them are going to follow Andrew footstep the worst. If them are die-hearted, them are going to follow him. Them must say, yo, a real chopper that, you know. Them must say, if Prime Minister chop, why man not for chop? Of course, so he really not teach we nothing. He not teach Jamaican people nothing. He just teach them for chop. That's why Jamaican people can't stop chop. Because then Prime Minister a chopper. I just the truth. I just the truth. So we don't want a chopper to lead us. You understand? We don't want a chopper to lead us nowhere at all. Me hearing come out and I say, him a go lead the people them out of the wilderness. I don't know what we might throw word pan. You see him face, and no manners and no respect. He don't care about no Jamaican people, Andrew Holness. He go care about him family and him friend them. He doesn't care about us Jamaican. Listen, you should I know by the health system alone. Should I make you know say Andrew Holness not like you know. When I get up and I talk about, oh, look how much thing the man do and the man build up infrastructure. You have one man come out. How much thing the man do for where the Prime Minister. Go ahead. That's a boy. Go ahead. Big man like you, enemy of progress, worthless. Somehow enough go ahead. Andrew Holness now do nothing for we. Nothing for we Andrew Holness now do. And then you don't have the audacity to come out and run off on the mouth about Andrew Holness I do good. Throw a licky and I get one licky $2,000, $3,000 when I say Andrew Holness I do good. Which part, eh? You don't see the people that must suffer like that. You don't see that. You don't blind. You don't see. No, I have to talk to my viewers and subscribers because sometimes when some people send certain link to me and I see certain things, I have to say, wow, these people really live back a time. Then really they are back a bush. Really back a bush them a live, Real clown, real idiot. Prime Minister build up infrastructure for who? You don't have money for go, you don't have money for go there, sir? You don't have money for rent apartment? Andrew Holness now build up nothing for Jamaican people. Where am I do for we? Talk truth. What is he really doing? You look into yourself. What is he really doing for us? And then me hear you come out and I say, yeah, Lord Prime Minister. I go on for go ahead. Go on for go ahead and go have ambition. Go ahead. Not for you. You don't have nothing about yourself. But my viewers and subscribers, you tell me one thing. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.